Hello students, welcome to civil engineering previous paper discussion. We have already completed part 1 and part 2 of Odisha Public Service Commission OTET lecture paper. Today part 3. Question number 45. In limit state approach, the spacing of main reinforcement controls primarily collapse, cracking, deflection, and durability. So correct answer will be cracking. Option B will be the correct answer. 46. The maximum area of a compression steel in a beam of width B and overall depth D, the effective depth is 0.12 B D, 0.12 B D, B capital D, 0.04 B D, B small d, 0.04 B D capital D. So here correct answer will be 0.04 B D. Option D, not small d. Option D will be the correct answer. Okay, 0.0 B D, where D is the overall length. Okay, a reinforced concrete slab is 90 mm thick. The maximum size of reinforcement bar that can be used is 12 mm diameter, 10 mm diameter, 8 mm diameter, 6 mm diameter. Here correct answer will be concrete slab is 90 mm thick, so 90 by 8. Okay, that is, it will come as 11 point something. So we have to take a approximated 10 mm diameter. Okay, 10 mm diameter. So here correct answer will be 10 mm diameter. In the design of a two-way slab restraint at all edges, torsional reinforcement required is 0.75 times the area of steel provided at a midspan in the same direction, 0.375 times the area of steel provided at midspan in the same direction, 0.375 times the area of steel provided in the shorter span, 0.375 times the area of steel provided in the longer span. So here correct option will be 0.75 times the area of steel provided in the at the midspan in the same direction. That is option A will be the correct answer. Question number 45. In brick masonry, arch action is possible only when the minimum height of a wall above the top of a lintel is 1.25 times the height of the triangular distribution. That is option B will be the correct answer. In the design of RCC beams, which will come under the limit state of serviceability. So limit state of serviceability, under the limit state of serviceability we have a deflection and a cracking. Deflection and cracking. So here cracking is given, option D is the correct answer. But limit state of collapse, option A B C belongs to limit state of collapse. Option D, limit state of serviceability. If it's asking deflection, also is a deflection and cracking limit state of serviceability. Flexor, shear, torsion, limit state of collapse. Question number 51. The drawback of a Lee Mackal system cannot use straight tendons, elliptical tendons, curved tendons, trapezoidal tendons. So correct answer will be the curved tendons. So option C will be the correct answer. Option C. The method of a tensioning Magnell Bolton system involves hydraulic jack and wires, hydraulic jack and bars, multi-strand hydraulic jack inserted at a center of a beam. So correct option will be hydraulic jack and wires, that is option A will be the correct answer. Question number 53. If the beam supports uniformly distributed load, if the beam supports uniformly distributed load, the tendon follows parabolic profile. The tendon follows parabolic profile. If it is asking about if the beam supports point load, if the beam supports point load in case of in place of a uniformly distributed load, then it will be as a trapezoidal. Okay, but here it is asking uniformly distributed load. If the beam supports uniformly distributed, so the tendon follows parabolic profile, that is option D will be the correct answer. Question number 54. The concept of a load balancing is useful in selecting the anchorage profile, bending profile, tendon profile, jack profile. So here correct option will be tendon profile. The concept of a load balancing is useful in selecting the tendon profile, that is option C will be the correct answer. Question number 55. How many types of losses in pre-stress are observed in the pre-tensioned member? How many types of losses in pre-stress are observed in the pre-tensioned member? That is option C will be the correct answer. That's a 4. That is 4 losses due to, first one, losses due to elastic deformation of a concrete. Second, losses due to relaxation of a stress in steel, which is called as the long term loss. Third, losses due to creep in the concrete. Fourth one, losses due to shrinkage of a concrete. Okay, I'm telling you again. First one, losses due to elastic deformation of a concrete. Second, losses due to relaxation of stress in steel. Third one, losses due to creep in concrete. Fourth one, losses due to shrinkage of a concrete. So here option C will be the correct answer, that is 4. So how many types of losses in pre-stress? It is 4. How many types of losses in pre-stress are observed in post-tension? Okay, post-tension. So correct option is the option D, that is 6. That is 6. That is 6 means first one, losses due to elastic deformation of a concrete. Second, losses due to relaxation of stress in steel. Third, losses due to creep in concrete. Fourth, losses due to shrinkage of concrete. Fifth, losses due to slip of anchorage. Sixth, losses due to friction. Okay, again I am telling you 6, option D will be the correct answer. Okay, option D will be the correct answer. The frictional and anchorage slip losses are observed in post-tensioned members, pre-tensioned members, ruptured members, tensile members. So correct option will be post-tensioned members. The frictional and anchorage slip losses are observed in post-tensioned members, that is option A will be the correct answer. Question number 58. Which of the following is a loss of a pre-stressed in post-tensioned members? So option A, loss due to slip of anchorage, loss due to deformations, loss due to tensioning, loss due to pumped concrete. So here correct option will be loss due to slip of anchorage, that is option A will be the correct answer. The question number 59. The loss of stress in steel, due to elastic shortening or a deformation is option A. Here will be the correct answer. Option A. Okay, option A is the correct answer. Question number 60. A pre-tensioned concrete beam 100 mm wide and 250 mm deep in pre-stressed by straight wires, modulus of elasticity of a steel and a concrete 2.1 10 to the 5 and 3500 Newton per mm square of what will be the modular ratio. Modular ratio equal to elasticity of a steel by elasticity of a concrete. Okay, elasticity of a steel given as 2.1 into 10 to the power of 5 by 3500. It will come as option C, that is 6 will be correct answer, that is 210 by 35. Okay, that is 6. Question number 61. Which curing is adopted in case of a pre-tensioned members to prevent shrinkage? Surface curing, edge curing, moist curing, total curing. So correct option here is be moist curing, that is moist curing is adopted in case of a pre-tensioned members to prevent shrinkage, that is option C will be the correct answer. Option C will be the correct answer. Question number 62. The loss of stress due to creep of a concrete can be estimated by ultimate creep strain, ultimate load, ultimate creep stress, ultimate creep tension. So correct answer will be ultimate creep strain, that is the loss of stress due to creep of a concrete can be estimated by ultimate creep strain, that is option A will be the correct answer. Next question. The phenomena of a reduction of a stress in steel at a constant strain are known as a relaxation of a stress, shrinkage of a concrete, creep of a concrete, anchorage slip. That is option here, option A will be the correct answer, that is relaxation of a stress. The phenomena of reduction of stress in steel at a constant strain are known as the relaxation of stress, that is option A will be the correct answer. Next question. The total loss of a pre-stress in due to friction is of total loss of a pre-stress due to friction is of 2 types, 4 types, 6 types, 8 types, that is here option A will be the correct answer, that is 2 types. Sorry, option A will be the correct answer, 2 types. 2 types means loss of a pre-stress due to effective curvatures and a loss of a pre-stress due to oval effect, and frictional losses can be reduced by over tensioning the tendons. First, the loss of a pre-stress due to effective curvature. Second, the loss of a pre-stress due to oval effect. So 2 types of a friction here. So next question. The term anchorage slip means distance moved by friction wedges, radius by friction wedges, rotation by friction wedges, twisting movement by friction wedges. So here correct answer will be distance moved by friction wedges. So the term anchorage slip means distance moved by friction wedges. Option A will be the correct answer. Next question. Elastic modulus of a Poisson's ratio of a steel are dash and dash respectively. So you know elastic modulus of a steel is 2 into 10 to the power of 5 and Poisson's ratio is 0.3. So option D will be correct answer. Which of the following is added to steel to increase the resistance to corrosion? That is option A, carbon, manganese, sulfur, copper. So here correct answer will be copper. Copper is added to steel to increase the resistance of a corrosion. Option D will be the correct answer. Next question 68. Which of the following factors is included in the limit state of serviceability? As a brittle fracture, fracture due to fatigue, fracture by excessive deformation and deflection adversely affecting appearance or effective use of a structure. So here correct option will be option D, that is deformation and deflection adversely affecting appearance or effective use of a structure. Question number 68, option D will be correct answer. The partial factor of safety for resistance governed by ultimate strength is given as 1.10, 1.5 to 1.25. That is here correct option will be 1.25. 1.25, that is option D will be correct answer. But it is asking governed by ultimate strength. Okay, ultimate strength, the factor of safety for resistance governed by ultimate strength, course answer will be 1.25. But if it is asking about to the partial factor of safety for resistance governed by yielding, not ultimate strength, it is if it is given as by yielding, then it will be as 1.10, 1.10, that is option A will be for yielding, 1.25 for ultimate strength. So here asking ultimate strength, so correct answer will be 1.25. if it is asking partial factor of safety for resistance governed by yielding, then it will be 1.10. Question number 17. For roofs of slopes greater than 10 degree, the imposed load is reduced by dash for every degree rise in slope. That is 0.02 kilonewton per meter square, 0.05 kilonewton per meter square, 0.075 kilonewton per meter square, 0.5 kilonewton per meter square. So here correct option will be A, option A, 0.02 kilonewton per meter square. Question number 71. In simple connections, the connection between members at their junction will resist moment only, resist force and moment, not resist force, not resist moment. So here correct option will be option D, not resist moment. Option D will be correct answer. Question number 72. In first order elastic analysis, equilibrium is expressed in terms of a geometry of a deformed structure, geometry of undeformed structure, geometry of both deformed and undeformed structure, geometry of any structure. That is here option B will be the correct answer, geometry of undeformed structure. That is option B will be the correct answer. What is the yield strength of a bolt of a class 4.6? Class 4.6, that here option B will be the correct answer. That is 240. Okay, 240 yield strength. 240. What is the minimum pitch distance? Minimum pitch distance is not U 2.5. That is option D will be the correct answer. Nominal bearing strength of a bolt is 2.5 kbdtfu, where k depends upon end distance, pitch distance. Ultimate tensile stress of a bolt, shank area of a bolt, yield stress of a bolt, diameter of a hole. That is option here correct answer 90. Sorry, 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 6 will be correct answer. Option B will be the correct answer. Thank you so much. For the next part.